complex and manual merit increase process into automated, governed, and data-driven is easy with compensation functionality.
In the beginning of the compensation cycle, it's very important for admin to set all the governance within the system. With the functionality of guideline modeling, we can set up different type of guidelines and budgets for the process within the system. Admins can create guidelines based on the specific criteria, and system will calculate target population and also total cost for each of the criteria. Based on that, we will have all the budget allocation visible for admins in the beginning of the process. System can provide recommendation how we can adjust the budget to meet the target value. After all the budgets are set and guidelines are updated, managers can create and launch the forms for the managers and the beginning of the merit increase process within the system. Compensation forms within the system are very flexible. We can create it based on the requirements which is needed. With a native integration towards the Employee Central and Performance Management, we can read information from those modules directly into the compensation form. Information about the employment of our employees or their current pay, or also performance rating, can be pulled directly into the form. If our managers want to review the performance form to make sure that their merit increment decisions are accurate, they will be able to open the form directly within the compensation module without need of additional clicks within the system. Also, the different type of merit adjustments can be created within the compensation module. Merit increment will be pre-populated for our managers based on the default values from the guidelines. That will help to reduce the manual work for the managers. If they want to add any exceptions and adjust the merit increment for their employees, they will be able to do so within the system. Within the system, we can create the different type of validation for the merit increment. That will help us to make sure that all the exceptions are highlighted within the process, and also managers will be able to provide the justifications for those exceptional cases. Those justifications within the comments will be visible for the next level of approvers and also will be reportable through the process. Within the compensation templates, we have the different type of helping widgets for our managers to make sure that their decisions are accurate. The budget widget will help them to understand the allocation of the budget within their forms. If they're underspending or overspending the budgets. Different type of budget buckets will be able to create within the compensation cycle as well. The merit insights will provide the information for the managers about the distribution of the merit increment. For example, pay for performance matrix will be able to provide information. Are we allocating the highest pay towards the best performers? Or do we need to adjust anything within the compensation cycle? Those insights will help our managers to make the fair and data-driven decisions in in the end of the compensation form, we will have the final new salary of our employees. All the total calculations will be visible for our managers. After forms are completed, system will provide us functionality of creation compensation statements. Compensation statements will be created and visible for employees and managers within the employee profile inside the compensation widget. Those compensation statements are highly configurable. If we need to add the company branding, the specific language, or even configure the criteria, system will allow us to create those different scenarios within the system. All the information from the compensation templates will be able to pull into the compensation statement. That will provide and reduce the manual work for the HR team on creation of the statements. And also will provide the transparency towards our employees, so they will be able to read their compensation statements within employee profile. After compensation cycle are completed, all the final salaries will be pushed towards the employee central, so it can be picked up for the payroll processes and the future updates.
It helps us to improve fairness, control, and transparency in pay decisions.